Farm Animals Part 76. I'm gonna take you behind the barn door to see pigs.
What happened, girls? These are females. There's an empty bowl. They want to be fed. Oh my. Yeah, you gonna eat the bowl now? The bowl's going through a lot. See the crack there? Yeah, sorry guys. I'm sorry. Whoever it is late feeding you guys, huh? You just gotta listen to him, huh? You're being patient. You're the patient pig, huh? Are you the patient one? Yes, you are. I know you. You've had many litters here. I know you by your nose. Yes. Look at the nose, boys and girls. Remember her? Remember this mother pig? She's gonna have babies one of these days soon. Ah, you're gonna have babies. Can't wait, because you're such a good mama. You're such a good mother. Oh my goodness. I know it's hard waiting. It's really hard waiting. And you're gonna be a mama soon, huh? Are you getting tired? Huh? One's laying down now, boys and girls. They're getting tired of all this noise that they're making. I know. It's hard waiting for food when you're starving. Yes. Yes, let's look at this guy back there. I know. It's hard, I know. You're hungry. You want to be fed. He's coming. He's coming. Oh my gosh, in your bowl. Oh, farmer. The farmer has to climb over and get the bowl. Where's that bowl? Look it around. Oh my goodness. They both can't get in that feeder together. Whoa, after eating a hitch. Empty bowl. Got all kinds of hitches now. Look at this guy. Beside the bowl. Oh my goodness. No wonder that bowl is all messed up. She wasn't sitting inside. She was sitting over it. There's something still inside there? Huh? Come on over here. Want to get some water now?